Hot Girl Summer on hold, okay?
You just don't know the way you move so fast across the floor. I mean, you run through my mind like all the time to the point that I just wanna take you home.
I need to do an intro. Hey y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. I am back with another video. I look absolutely crazy, but you know, that's life. And I was like, let me do a vlog for you guys. It's the beginning of Hot Girl Summer.
Why the lying? Why you always lying?
That's how you know I'm lying. I don't even got no lip gloss on. Hold on. Why I'm putting on lip gloss?
What you know? My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss be popping. I'm sitting at my locker and all the boys keep stopping.
Okay. Like I said, Hot Girl Summer coming at you. I am doing my makeup right now real quick. I'm about to go out. It's about to be a lit night and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So if you want to see how the rest of this vlog goes and how this Hot Girl Summer is actually Hot Girl Weekend, Hot Girl, you know, lit. I thought lipstick was gonna make it better, but I still look crazy. But yeah, without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get right back into this video. Y'all, they really hating on me. They mad because I'm taking too long, but I'm almost ready. They don't understand. Greatness takes time. And I ain't done my makeup for real in an extremely long time. So I had to like step out. Querlin got me wearing this jumpsuit. And you know what? I don't got no booty for this type of jumpsuit. No booty at all. Y'all don't understand. Me getting long nails is literally my downfall, okay? Especially with putting these lashes on. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Can't see in this eye. Turn the light on. What's going on? What's going on? I just need some lip liner and I'm just going to leave it like this.
My brush slogan?
Yeah.
Hey, I forgot mine. My little brush with me.
Y'all, I got a video coming on this hair. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna put out first. I like it big.
For the hair?
Yeah. I didn't even tell you guys where we're going.
Well, we've never been before.
Okay. I'm ready. Thanks for spraying yourself and not me.
I didn't know if you wear that kind.
Yep. It's only one time. And it's mine. Okay. Let's leave before I get sad about my room looking like a horrible...
You try to clean it up.
Yeah, I always try to do that. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I'll be back, you guys, on my phone.
The party
Take off your shoes. Take them off.
I'm vlogging.
My face looks really white.
It's curly hair day.
Oh no!
Everybody has curly hair.
Take them off.
Everybody has curly hair.
You never been here?
No, I don't know. Oh, my makeup look good. Yeah. So I'm vlogging tonight.
Wow, you came
Yana.
to Soleil. What time is it?
3 minutes from 11:30. Every time I don't have the camera on, please remind me to put the camera on.
The camera on.
It's on
But we're
right
not doing
now.
anything. Where is it?
It's on right here. It's not on, y'all.
Oh, JT? Yeah. Every time I ride past the jail, I be like, JT, free JT. Okay, I wasn't taking a picture. I was taking a video. Chicken.
Welcome back to your performance for tonight.
Y'all, I don't know how to turn the flash on, but Cortland is done with this. He ain't playing. I'm done. We gotta leave. I'm over it. He mad. We gotta find the Uber, the Lyft, the anything. It's time to go. It's time to go. Cause I was here. Out here in the mother. Period. Tonight has been super duper eventful. Oh, that's a Volkswagen. Okay, that's my right.
Guys. No. Side note, I also cracked my phone screen. Just the back. The front is okay.
Next morning.
Hey guys, I am real deal alive and sick. What happened? Why? Why is my life like this? But anyways, my hair look good. It's a little defluffed, but it's still good. Literally, I just made breakfast. I usually put my sausages in some bread and make a sausage sandwich, but since I've been gone for like a week, my bread was in the fridge and I don't like it cold, so I'm going to let it get room temperature because I feel like it'd be stupid for me to turn the stove on for one piece of bread, you know? So I'm just gonna eat the sausage by itself, and I also have some grits. So yeah, that's gonna be my breakfast. Oh my God. Like, literally, I cannot breathe.
Many hours later.
Ooh. Hot girl summer is still in question. Hot girl weekend, you know what I'm talking about. I am about to go get some food. I feel like the last time I was on here talking to you guys, I was getting food. Like, is that all you do? Is that a part of hot girl summer? Like, eating, getting thick? Because I'm not going to the gym. So, that sounds horrible. Yeah, so I know they usually have $1 tacos at this place called Banditos in Tallahassee. So I'm going to drive out there and see if they got it. But yeah, so I'm kind of not still feeling good. So I don't think I'm going to be going out tonight. I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can make it. So I want y'all to know that I just went and got freaking $11 worth of tacos and stuff. Because as I was leaving the place, I only spent $3 on myself. I was like, dang, I didn't even ask my mother if she wanted something. So I called her and she was like, yeah, bring me and my husband some tacos. So this is really a hot girl summer for real, because like I'm doing service, community service. I'm so annoyed because literally I just got off the phone with my apartment complex and they're talking about how they will be painting my apartment on Monday. First of all, I've been out of town for a week. Why y'all couldn't do it then? Like, that's annoying. So I have to be out of the apartment on Monday, and on top of that, I have to take all the clothes out of my closet. Like, y'all don't understand what kind of task that is. Literally at the beginning of this, not the beginning of the semester, probably like 2 months ago, my closet broke. Like, literally what was holding my clothes up broke, and I just had all the clothes fall down. I'm gonna insert a picture. I actually have a picture because they had to come back and fix it. But the thing was, taking all them clothes out was horrible. Like, I have so many clothes in there and it's trash. So that's what I gotta go home and do after I take this over to my mom's house. I'm gonna go over there and eat for a little bit. Stay hydrated. Hot girl. Chips and queso. And the tacos. Sour cream and tomatoes. Y'all, I'm so annoyed. I just got back home. So, they just told me that they're going to be painting at my house, right? So I got to pack all my stuff up and put it in the middle. So sis was like, oh, I'll help you out and I'll give you some boxes and I'll drop them off at your apartment. Here on the floor. Right there. Like, they're soaking wet. Anybody with common sense would have put them up against the dang on wall or something. Like, mind you, sis, it's been raining for days. Don't tell me you're gonna do something and then do it half. Now I'm mad at myself also because I left the TV on. TV been on for 15 hours. I'm gonna take this makeup off. I said I was gonna do my second video. Listen, I have to take a break. I'm tired. After eating all those tacos and chips and queso, I am done. Hot girl summer on hold, okay? What my TV doing? Because my room is a mess. I just got a call. Well, no, I got this call the other day and I think I told you guys about it already. They're coming to paint my apartment. And so I need to like get everything out of my closet. Mind you, my closet was atrocious. Oh my God. I'm embarrassing myself. I'm dragging myself. Dragging. If you have more than 3 water bottles in your room, you need help. I only have 3 though, so I'm good. So yeah, I'm about to go to the store and see if I can get some boxes to start packing this stuff up because I just can't live like this. And I have until tomorrow to get this done. So yeah, litness on pause. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day and I finally finished my room. I literally got everything on top of the bed. Only thing that's left up there, but everything else is empty except the bathroom. Everything is empty, kind of. And then in here is empty. Look at my girls. As in, like, nothing's near the walls, basically.
Just then, by sheer coincidence.